Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter medium wheelbase. This vehicle features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 140 PS. Power is delivered through a smooth automatic transmission. Finished here in the Reflex Silver metallic paint colour, this example has some excellent exterior features including a half-painted front bumper, and in the lower portion of the front bumper we'll also find a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 16-inch steel wheels. The van also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Approaching the rear of the vehicle we'll find the rear-loading barn doors. These also feature the 270-degree hinges, and rear parking sensors can be found on the rear bumper. Opening up those doors and taking a look into the load area itself, there's a large amount of storage space and the van comes fully ply-lined. This vehicle also features the twin sliding door option, allowing for more versatile options when loading and unloading the vehicle. Across the load area floor we'll find multiple load lashing rings, useful for securing large or bulky items, and we can find yellow grab handles on the entry point, allowing for easy access into and out of the load area. Up front in the driver's cab we'll find a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this is a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. In the forms of entertainment, in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system has DAB radio station access, as well as allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Beneath the touchscreen are some of the climate controls. The van features two front heated seats as well as climatic air conditioning, and charging points can be found throughout the cab. For the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, allowing you to customise your driving experience. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Crafter CR35 in the medium wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.